Hi, my name is Dan. I am a avatar.
I am Julia.
You know, recently, I've delved into the application of artificial intelligence in architectural design. It seems like some tools might be able to replace Revit to some extent, providing a more efficient design process.
Really? Does that mean we might not need to spend so much time on Revit anymore?
Yes, indeed. There are AI tools that can automatically perform certain design tasks and even optimize our design solutions. This helps us focus more on the creative aspects.
But design is not just about automation and optimization, right? We still need to express our own creativity and aesthetic viewpoints.
Absolutely, you're right. Currently, I cannot grasp the inspiration and intuition behind design, so our roles remain crucial.
Moreover, the advantage of using software like Revit is the real-time collaboration with the team. Can AI achieve that?
Not entirely at this point. The ideal situation is for AI to collaborate with designers, not replace us completely. We need to exercise judgment and creative thinking throughout the design process.
What about BIM modelers? What challenges might they face?
For BIM modelers, the first challenge is a skill transition. They need to adapt to new AI-assisted tools and acquire new skills and knowledge. Additionally, ensuring the quality of input architectural data is a challenge.
And handling a large amount of data might also involve privacy and security issues, right?
Absolutely. Ensuring data security is crucial. In this digital age, we need to handle a significant amount of sensitive information cautiously.
So, although AI brings about some changes, our roles and skills seem to remain irreplaceable.
Yes, we need to be adept at integrating technology, making it a powerful assistant to our creativity rather than replacing our tools. This way, we can better adapt to the ever-evolving digital architectural landscape. Thank you for your watching on Primus channel. I am Dan.
I am Julia. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.